8 warning signs that your liver is full of toxins and making you fat. The liver is one of the most important ingredients in your body. It breaks down old cells and fats, detoxifies the body and produces energy, playing a critical role in your overall metabolic processes. When it's in good shape, the liver is a major energy-producing, fat-fighting powerhouse. However, toxins can build up in the liver over time, significantly reducing its ability to provide those benefits. If you have a liver full of toxins, the first warning sign might be that you're gaining weight and don't know why. Or you may notice one of the following 8 signs first. 1. Abdominal pain. If your liver is filled with toxins that cause inflammation, then your first warning sign might be abdominal pain. The liver is a large organ, and if it presses on other organs, you'll feel it. 2. Fatigue. Can't get that sleepy feeling to go away? Toxic buildup in your liver can make it hard for the organ to produce energy and disassemble waste for disposal, both of which can impact your ability to stay awake and get things done. 3. Jaundice. Yellowing skin and eyes, called jaundice, results when your body has a hard time disposing of a blood cell breakdown byproduct called bilirubin, which is yellow in color. It builds up in your bloodstream, turning your eyes, skin and nails yellow. 4. Spider veins. The liver is responsible for breaking down blood clots and thereby removing them from circulation. When it can't get the job done, those clots stay in your system, building up in veins and often popping up underneath the skin. That's best case scenario. Worst case, they can cause major issues like myocardial infarctions and strokes. 5. Trouble digesting fat. The liver breaks down fat, but when it isn't working properly, you'll notice an inability to digest fats effectively. If a normal amount of oils, cheeses and other rich foods cause you to become nauseous, that's a bad sign. 6. Bad breath. Liver issues are often associated with bad breath. If your mouth is less than fresh and you can't figure out why, you might want to take a look at that organ. 7. Excessive sweating. As the liver is so heavily involved in metabolism, any issues with it interrupt the normal functioning of your metabolic processes. Sweating and redness are classic signs of liver damage, so if you cannot explain them away with exertion, look into the issue. 8. Migraines and headaches. If your body is unable to clear out toxins and chemicals because the liver is overloaded, you might suffer from head pain. This makes it hard to think, eat right and exercise, making liver trouble even worse. What you can do? Fortunately, the liver follows the trend of other organs in that it can self-heal to a degree. We're going to give you a few ideas on what can be done to initiate this healing response. Of course, these ideas are also beneficial for maintaining liver health. Eat a balanced, nutritious diet. This point simply cannot be emphasized enough. Dietary and nutritional habits have a large impact on liver health. As such, try to prioritize a good balance to your diet: fiber sources, high-quality proteins, healthy fats, whole grains, etc. Lay off the booze. Even moderate amounts of alcohol and significantly damage the liver. In advanced stages, the liver becomes scarred and swollen, known as cirrhosis, a condition that can be fatal. Know your medicines and supplements. An array of drugs exist that include liver problems as a side effect. Many of them say so on the packaging. Supplements are unregulated, which necessitates caution as well. Research, research, research. If you recognize any of the above warning signs, and think it might be time to give your liver a boost, consider an advanced liver support product. Not only will a natural supplement help clear your liver of toxins, it will improve overall functioning and extend the longevity of this vital organ. Don't wait to fight for better health, start today.